How to view and manage credit card account through the Barclays app. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to view and manage your credit card account through the Barclays mobile banking app. Here's how you can do it. First of all, you need to go and launch the Barclays mobile banking app. Log in using your credential. Once logged in, look for an option within the app's menu specifically related to credit card account managing your card. This option might be labeled as credit card, my credit, or something similar. And likewise, once you've accessed the credit card section, you should see a list of your Barclays credit card account and select the specific account you want to view or manage. And within the selected credit card account, you should be able to view recent transactions, including purchases, payment, and any fee interest charge as well. You can typically check the current balance and available credit limits for your credit card amount within the app itself, and go ahead and make the payments, and then view the statement and manage settings and all that, and report a lost or stolen card. And that's basically how you can view and manage your credit card account through the Barclays app. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.